Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox this one, the MADDOG Scout X Performance Auxiliary Lights. With that have the clamps for the crash guard and MADDOG Switch Pro. So let's begin one by one. I will start with the light first. What is inside the box? Okay, here it is, a safety thermal sheet, few stickers and warranty card as well. It has a serial number as well. So here is two clamps. I'll show you how to fix that one. And here it is, the two lamps, the MADDOG Scout X Performance Auxiliary Lamps, and this is made in India. Wow. MADDOG. Here it is, two lamps, and it includes with couplers as well, the female and male couplers. Okay, just press this, lock and release. Okay, here it is. Okay, I have released the couplers. These are female couplers. For light it will be a male couplers. So the box is included with these two female couplers as well for very nice fittings. Done. These are the lights, and here there are some clamps. Need scissor to open this. So here they have given the clamps. Oh, okay, cool. Okay, they have given nice clamps, 4 flat head hexagonal Allen key screws to fix on the sides, and 4 nuts as well for that, and these 2 hexagonal bolts for clamping with the washer here, and goes here. There are holes given here to fix the bolts and screws. Both the side there are holes. Okay, and this goes here. Let me put the nut. Fine. And okay, let me fix this as well. So the nut goes inside, quite tricky, but let's try. Actually the nut, they have given beautiful grooves inside here. The nut goes and fit there perfectly, and it locks there. Just we have to tighten the screws. Here it is, the nut. you can see here the nut locks in here, so you don't have to use any spanners to hold on the other side. And for the tightening on the other side as well, same. Let me put the nut first. Here this goes. So I will tighten these screws later. As of now, I will keep it bit loose while I'm setting the lights on the vehicle. Then we can adjust these lights according to the positions. Very good thing is the nut goes and lock here perfectly. No need to use any spanner or any tools to hold the nut. It completely sits there. So yes, this is how it looks on the bracket. There is no other way to fix this one. This is the only option. We have to go through this, fixing this on the bracket. All right, the light part is done. Let me check the switch. So these two are coupler for this. If you have MADDOG harness kit, wiring harness kit, this coupler will be included in that box also. Again, for safety purpose, for backup purpose, again they have given this with the light itself. So if you don't want to use the wiring kit harness, you can connect directly this with using some wires and connect these lights. That's a very cool stuff. Let's open the switch. Okay, this is the switch. This didn't make me tough. Okay, again for switch they have given a female coupler as well to get the power. It's a 3-pin actually, and they have given a warranty card as well. Both comes with 1 year warranty. The bulbs and the switch both comes with 1 year warranty. So this is the switch. Here it comes, the switch with almost 1 feet cable. So this is the male coupler and this is the female coupler. Fits here perfectly with no any kind of modification. You can directly connect the wires here, power wires here, and so this is completely waterproof as they have mentioned. So there are 3 wires here, red, white and black. Black is needed, I guess. Black they have given only for there is a light inside the switch. To power up that switch they have given the black, otherwise the grounding is not required, I guess. So either it could be white or red will be the switch wires. While fixing I will just let you know. Here it is. So this is this clamp for handlebar. They have given 4 screws, 2 bigger size and 2 small, and 2 more fixed already here. So if you want to put the switch on the handlebar, these are not aluminum, I guess. These are plastic. Yeah, these are plastic, molded plastic. So they have given 2 holes here. You can put the screws to these holes here back and put it on the handlebar like this. Or if you don't want to put it on the handlebar, you can put it on the mirror switch, mirror holder also. You can put it like this way, just 2 screws as well. And this is also, this clamp is 4-way. This is a 4-way. You can connect the switch like this, or like you can switch it like this or like this, or if you can switch it here, you can fix it like this or like this, whichever want. They have given beautifully 2 clamps, and screws also included. Extra screws are given. These small tiny screws, if you want to connect these brackets, if you are using these brackets, tiny screws are for these brackets. If you are going for the handlebar, this is a bit thick, for that's the reason they have given a bit bigger one. So there are 2 big screws and 2 small screws, so fix it accordingly. So the next part comes is the clamp. So this is a light mount for crash guard or any, even you can fix it on the handlebar also if it supports, if it has a space. But in my bike, which is Bullet 350, fixing on handlebar is not possible because the vibration is too much. So yeah, in this box here it comes, all screws and rubber pads, rubber grips. They have given multiple screws for multiple size of crash guards, and this holds the light in 3 position, 1 here, 1 second here, 3rd here. Yeah, you can fix the light in 3 way, but at least this hole has to be spared for the main clamp. So this is the bottom clamp. Again, this is also bottom clamp. Very nicely aluminum CNC cut brackets. Again, one more here, this one, and 2 upper clamps. So here it is. So if you want to fix the light on this one, directly you can fix on this hole. Okay, there is a possibility you can fix the light over here directly. For that they have given screws as well. Let me show you. Here it is. They have given plenty of screws. So 4 pads, rubber pads. So these are 4 rubber grips. So these big flat edge screws can be fixed over here. It's a bit tight now. If I use the proper tools, it will go properly. Okay, here it is. So there is a possibility if you want to fix the light, this bracket, not using this one, you can fix it directly over here. Okay, that is also possible. You can fix it over here, or you can fix this these brackets. You can fix it like this, in this way, in this way, this way, or this way. So there are multiple options. One bracket, multiple options are there. You can put it in number 1 this position, number 2 this position, number 3 this position, number 4 this position. So vice versa, 5 and 6, and there are a number of ways. Even you can fix like this also. You can adjust the height. So there are many options. Very good materials. So these are all. There are 8 lengthy screws. They have given 8 lengthy screws and 8 small screws. Okay, they have given 8 lengthy screws and 8 small screws. So these screws, you have to decide according to the crash guard size, or wherever the place you're mounting the brackets. If this diameter is lengthier one, then you have to use the lengthy screws, or if it is shorter one, you can use the shorter screws for that one. And this pad goes in between two for better grip. So that's all, guys. Next I will catch you in the next video how I am fixing this MADDOG Scout X Pro to my bike. Till then, keep watching my videos. Thank you.